Okay guys, this is BEP 2009 Jet. Thought I might start my video here today. I put a skin on a Crown Victoria. It was a New York State Police car, so the lights were only red, so I don't have white or blue. I also have a Tahoe, which is... I've tried to replace the skin on, they haven't been cooperating. This still has Metropolitan PD on it. This is actually the original car that I now have as the Tahoe, but it came with this skin. So we'll respond to that, but first I think we might take the NooSe truck, the giant ESU truck. Crown Victoria can wait another day maybe. Oh crap, I might have gone too fast. Oh no, here we go. Let's do this. And by the way guys, I'm sorry, I'm not using my I'm not using the Glock as I ran out of ammo and I did my gun cheat, but that gave me the dodgy gun, the dodgy pistol instead of the Glock look-alike, not the actual Glock. So we're responding to a domestic disturbance call right now in my ESU truck. Okay. I've responded to this call before, not just this call, but actually at this place. So go away, Roman. Okay, so as I promised, I am NooSe, which I said I would be in my next video, so, you know, kept my word. If more people watch my videos, you could comment what you'd like me to do. Next video, I think I might be the FBI or FIB in my Commodore. That should be fun. Might turn the sirens off. Sneak up a little. Send in some backup while I'm here. Oh crap, where was that house? Thought that was me for a second. Now we've got to get in before the backup does, because they'll just scare them. Even though the people in this game don't realise you're there until you sneak up. Oh crap, they're in the alleyway. Oh, sorry, Skype came up. Stay down, fool. Sorry, that'll be a little loud. Hands on your head. Okay. Why won't it let me move? Move! Sorry, I'm not a cow, I just felt like doing that. Okay, they'll take him away, and I shall keep him at gunpoint in case he has a weapon, but I can't frisk him now, because, yeah. Oh well, I don't have my gun drawn anymore. One false move and you're dead, mother... No, this is what I do in my spare time. Okay, they're coming in. Maybe you should move. Duck! Ooh! I accidentally tapped my taskbar, but I'm going to take his gun so I have a better gun. Gun. God damn it. It's alright, luckily I don't think I shot him in the head. You should be right. I'm going to make Sergeant over this. Oh no, that's a lot of blood. That normally means they're dead. I'll just go back to the station and get another partner. Okay, well. Yeah, we'll get it over with. There we go. I did an extra shot. I was trying to do a 7-shot. You know, just trying to be polite and respect that my partner just died. Hey you! Wanna be my partner? Bam it! I was gonna say I'll shoot their car, but they've got their lights on, so... If I shoot him, will I hit him? Because... Yeah, it did. Whoops. Oh well, we'll pretend I didn't do this. And here we go, my lovely ESU trucks there. Oh, we have reports of shots fired. Though that would be a good call to have a partner with. Yeah, so this episode I've got that I can make instant call-outs, so hopefully we will have better call-outs. By the way, guys, where you are, I don't know where my people watching my videos are, but I would like to say happy Easter Friday if you celebrate Easter. If not, well, oh well. Today's Easter Friday in Australia, so investigate the area. Oops, wall. And this is why it's good that I'm in a big truck. Okay, let's get out of here. I can't see what that was a waste of my time. Is that blood? Oh no, it's a newspaper. Looked like blood. So what do you guys think of the truck? It's pretty cool. Well, I reckon it is. Coming back from a building and seeing it sitting there, it's pretty awesome. Like, I would be glad to have that happen to me in real life, having a truck sitting there waiting for me. A drug deal. Well, if it existed, I would call... Why won't it let me respond? I would normally call ATF. We've got armed suspects. It's my type of call. Oh, incidents code 4. Move. Sorry, I couldn't turn the siren off. Okay. Well, let's see what we can respond to. A drug deal. Didn't I say I'd get to that before? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's go. Why am I holding a grenade meant to turn right? Kid Street. I have no idea where I am. Okay, oh my, now it tells me I have to go that way. What the hell? Let's cut through here, because I'm an emergency vehicle. Well, the garbage truck's here collecting our bins, so if you can hear that, that's that. Sorry about that. Wait, what's this? This is a drug deal, isn't it?
You? What the fuck is wrong with you?
I should really have uniforms block the street, but considering I'm the only one here, and I don't even have a partner, so that's what I'd do in real life. I'd have uniforms block off the street. Sorry, hit the civilians. Damn right, we got a GSW. Okay, drop the weapon. He killed him. Clear. And, yep, he's down. Oh no, hang on. If I perform CPR, this might work. Dispatch, this is NooSe 752. I need an ambulance at my location on... Why did I taser him? I didn't want to taser him. I wanted to arrest him. Disregard. Dispatch. That's why they were shooting. Who the hell shot? Son of a bitch. Ah, he just fell over. He just got run over. Okay, come on, fight, damn it. I just revived you and then you got shot again. It wasn't even by me. If it was by me, I'd at least, you know, wouldn't have a problem with it. Yeah, he's not coming back. Come on, damn it. Come on.
Thanks, man. You ever need
Oh no, he's alive.
to me?
I'm sorry, but... Oh, damn it. I had to revive him. Now I have to do it again, and if they do it, I'm just going to shoot him in the head.
Okay, that's enough, man. Thanks, man. You ever need anything, you come to me. That's right, son. You get rocked. Pop is good. I'm tired of running.
That's it. They're a little up themselves. Oh well, I revived you too many times. This is the guy that tried to shoot me like 7 times. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on. You're walking away.
Thanks, man. You ever need anything, you come to me.
Where the hell did he get a gun? I just... Oh, and he's dead again, I think. Yeah, he's there. Can I get through here? It's just a wall. Where's... I'm SWAT, so... No. Well, I'm NooSe. So I'm gonna respond to this. I can't get out of here, so I can't respond to it. Okay. Never mind. If I was at my car, I would. Meanwhile, my ESU truck's parked around the corner, so I'm gonna go to the car of a... If there's a Uni's car, local Leo's car. I don't know, I have to go to my own car. We won't respond to that at the moment. Oh, I can't do it in the truck. Normally you can open your trunk and... You can open the... Sorry, you can open the trunk and get more. I really should have let that guy handle it and or tasered the guy that ran. But, oh well. He's down now. Yeah, that's what I thought, fool. Oh yeah. I'm running 8 FPS, so... Oh cool, that looks cool because it's a Hummer. It looks like a Pole Patriot. Did I hit the driver? Go away, Skype. Oh, wait, no, that's not what I wanted. Phone. No, cheat. Sorry guys, I need a new gun. And yeah, I have the dodgy pistol again. Oh well, next time I kill a criminal, it should be better. I'll take their Glock. Suspects fleeing in a declassy merit. Of course it's a code 4. Reports of a mugging? Can I take that one? God damn it. I've already tried to... Okay. Got a red dot there. No at the moment. Where's that ambulance going? Oops. They are running, aren't they? Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Where the hell are they going? They're coming towards me. That's where they're going. I meant to clip that now. Now they're running. Got nowhere to run though, because there's cops all over this block. There's two of them? What are they running from? I didn't even respond to this call, they were just... Someone required assistance. Damn it. Hope this guy wants to go me. Whoa, returning fire. Dispatch, this is NooSe 703 now. I'm changing my mind of who I am. Yeah. Suspect is down. Other suspect is still on foot. And at the moment, that's my priority. To catch him. The dead guy's not going anywhere. Oh wait, I can't get out of here. Whoopsies. I can hear the shootout going on. I have to climb over this. It's pathetic. How the hell do I get out of here? Okay, now I'm half over it. Let's jump the barbed wire. Oh, great. There's not even a fence there. Oh, wait, there probably is. I just can't see it because of my graphics. No, there really isn't. He really is getting away. No time to waste. No one fucks with NooSe. Sorry guys, this is a little bad. I couldn't jump through those what are they called? The brackets. This isn't a very good video at all, because I'm not talking very much, even though last time I said, sorry guys, I'm not talking very much, I'm thinking in my head, and I said it, and then I watched the video back, Where is he? Because he went up this way, and then there were two cops chasing him. Boom, boom. We'll just follow this cruiser. Will he pull over? Yeah. Pit stopped. Yeah, shut up. For the record, guys, I did see them, and I swerved towards them because they flashed their lights at me. An emergency vehicle! This guy looks fun. I'm gonna hit him.
This is not your lucky day, huh?
You too. A mugging in Hove Beach? Of course. Disregard code forward. Drug deal? Please, can I have the drug deal? Ooh, suicidal, suicidal. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Back it on up. Oh, guys, just note that it is LCPD and not NYPD. It looks very similar, but it does say LCPD rather on their stores. Does it say anything on the front? No, it doesn't. Oh well. And the lights are red and white, which is good. Go away, Roman. Sorry if I do end up tipping it, guys, because it's, as you can see, a little unstable at the moment. Yeah, I didn't brake in time. I was braking for a long time, just the brakes didn't register. Wait, what am I responding to? A drug deal. Probably shouldn't have the sirens on. Because then they know I'm coming. And then they know they're reported. So theoretically, they should run sooner, but they don't run or threaten to shoot you until you even get close. So, once I responded to a drug deal, and it was like, see how it's got the arrow up at the moment on the red dot, which means it's upstairs or up a level higher than me. I once responded to a call and they were like on the crap. And this is why I'm glad I'm NooSe. Go to the other end of the truck. Where the hell are they? Why is that? He's down. There he is. Take the weapons for evidence. Ugh. Excuse me. And we'll perform CPR so then I can arrest them. Fight, fight. Come on, come on, come on. I really want to arrest you. You're a pain in my butt. And then, if this guy awakes from the dead, like a zombie, then, no, he's not going to, then, whoops, sorry, press Q instead of W. I think I might respond to that one, and then that might be the end of my video for today. Next episode, I will, as I said, yeah, be FIB. Oh wait, I'm already responding on it. I went to put my sirens on, I'm like, oh, I hear sirens, maybe I should put mine on. Duh. Okay, dispatch, this is, actually it would be ESS. Emergency Services. I don't know what the other S stands for. Yeah, I know I've changed my number like several times just because I can, okay? So, this is my video and I can change it if I'd like. Okay. Go through this red light. Oh crap, I didn't see the taxi. See, when you're as big as this, when you're as big when you're in this truck, you don't see as much.
I'm gonna. No one fucks with NooSe.
Okay, I've only got a few shots left in my pistol. In my assault, you know, my assault rifle gun thing. What did I say this was? This is a drug deal, isn't it? Yeah, I'd say that's them all sitting in the middle. Apprehend the suspects. Wait, the red ones are the... Oh, wait, no. They're running. Damn it. Did they catch him? They're hopeless. No, this way. Idiots. Help me get the guy running away from me. Dispatch, this is NooSe 72 in a foot pursuit of a Caucasian male heading... Sorry, I don't know. Oops. And he's got a weapon. What the hell? He stopped. No, that wouldn't have gotten him because he's too far away. Of course. If I can run on the side, I should be able to predict where he's going. Unless he goes in there. Okay. As NB video says, I said that in the last video, but that is what he says. I'm not just... I probably should have taken him back myself, because I'm gonna go finish my shift, and then I think I might go home. Go see my wife and kids, cuddle up and think of all the paperwork I have to do when I come back, because I shot a few people today. Life of a cop. You don't just get to shoot people. Unfortunately, that would make it a whole lot easier. Where's my car? Or am I on the wrong block? I am. I have to turn right up here on this block. And my car should be around that corner. Sorry, I'm a little exhausted from running. So, I think I might end my video here, guys. It's been good making these for you. I'm not ending them forever. I think I should get in my car now. Get in the car, I'm not close enough. Okay, yeah, so, if you're celebrating Easter, I hope you have a great Easter. If not, well, have a great weekend. Okay, thanks guys.